Hey everybody, my name is Scott. Welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about how to use social media to gain new clients. Have you ever realized that you were doing something completely backwards? This happens to me sometimes when my wife is asleep and I want to work out and I have to go into our closet and I have to put my workout clothes on in the dark. And it is one of those experiences that you can guess and figure out which way the folds were going, but if it didn't get folded just right, you're not going to know which way is which. And the only way to know is if you get your head in the neck hole and both arms in the armhole and you pull it down, and the next thing you know, you have this tight feeling up against your neck and you realize you're doing it wrong. This is what happens primarily with a ton of businesses. What happens on their social media presence is that they rush to social media to sell their products or their services, and they use their website to share everything about their company. And that's completely opposite of what they should be doing. What you should be doing with your business is sharing on social media, because it's social media primarily, and selling on your website. Because when people come to your website, they're looking to buy. They want the service that you're providing. And the reality is, we have a time in history with this COVID-19 where we can connect with potential clients and current clients in a way that we can never before. We have the opportunity to share what we're learning about our business, ways that we're adapting and pivoting in our business, ways in which our business is investing in the community, leadership principles that have been impactful during this time. There are so many things that we could share right now to be an encouragement to others, and that's what people want to see in their feed. They don't need another list of things that they should be buying right now. They need encouragement. And if you enter that social space to be primarily social and connect your website and connect who you are and the services that you have, for sure, that when they click on those links, they're going to be ready to buy on your website. And so the first tip when it comes to gaining new clients through social media is to share on social media and to sell on your website. And if you need help with that, call this number. I would love to help you set up your social sites so that you can connect with your potential customers, so that when they see who you are and what you're about, they're going to be much more apt to buy from you. All right, that's 2 Minute Tuesday for this week. Stay tuned for next week as we continue to talk about how to win new clients through social media.